Why does your scanner show the P0245 engine code? What does it mean? P0245 is a diagnostic trouble code for Turbocharger Wastegate, actuator A-low. This engine code indicates that a problem with the electrical circuit of the Wastegate solenoid, specifically a low voltage condition detected by the powertrain control module, PCM. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty wastegate solenoid. Wiring issues. Loose or corroded connections. PCM malfunction. Other potential issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. This is commonly found in vehicles with turbocharged or supercharged engines, particularly those from Volkswagen, Audi, Ford, and others. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.